Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best juices this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Breville Je98XL Juice Fountain Plus Juicer. Breville is widely recognized for their high quality and innovative home appliances. And this high-performance Juice Fountain Plus is well worth a closer examination. It's a very elegant and classically designed juicer with the typical large chute and food pusher that you would expect to see. Their unit also features a unique Breville patented delivery system for maximum and efficient, dense nutrient juice extraction. They call this the Nutri-Disc. One of the key advantages of this unit is that it is easy to clean. The removable parts are large so not fiddly to clean, plus they are dishwasher safe, which is always handy. Compared to some of the other juicers on the market, it also has a larger than average pulp container and juice jug. That means you can spend less time preparing and cleaning up, and more time enjoying a refreshing glass of juice. With its dual speed control, you can operate the juicer at both a high or low output level, which means that it is equally as dependable when it comes to juicing both hard and soft fruit and vegetables. The best thing about this juicer though is that it transfers less than 1.8 F heat. So if you have already been doing your homework, you will know that means it protects all the valuable enzymes and nutrients in your juice for the healthiest and most delicious, home-prepared juices. The cutting disc is so powerful that you can even juice large chunks of pineapple with the rind still on. There is little that beats the fresh taste of pineapple juice, but the preparation can be a pain, so if you do love the tropical flavor of fruits like pineapple, mango, and papaya, this will have you knocking up Caribbean beach-worthy drinks in no time. The best key features are 3 feet wide feed chute, powerful 850-watt dual-speed motor. It features a safety locking arm, stainless steel cutting disc for fast results. 2. Hamilton Beach Pro Juicer Machine. The Hamilton Beach Pro Juicer Machine is a big, black machine that carries out its primary purpose with the efficiency we have all come to associate with the Hamilton brand. It features a large, 3 feet feed chute, which is one of its most enduring features. It is common practice to cut up your veggies and fruits before they can be put in the juicer, but with the Hamilton, this is no longer the case. With a feed chute that wide, whole apples, pears, and peeled oranges can be placed in it without any hassle. So you can juice more and cut less. It also comes with a powerful 800-watt motor that can turn fruits into juice in mere seconds. The Hamilton is pretty effective and wastes little time getting to work. When it isn't in use and needs to be cleaned, you won't have a hard time of it as the parts are easy to remove, are dishwasher safe and BPA free. What's more, this big mouth juicer doesn't transfer any heat to your juice, so you can cold press, safe in the knowledge of this. The juicer also has a rather large pulp bin, which makes for a less messy exercise when making juice. Furthermore, it comes with its own juice jug, but it is rather small as it only takes about 20 ounces. It can also make a considerable amount of noise. Beyond that, it's an excellent choice, and with the large feed chute, is probably the best juicer with that particular feature. The best key features are: big feed chute that takes whole fruits. Parts are easy to take apart and clean. Powerful 800W motor for faster juicing. Huge pulp bin. 3. Omega Je98XL Nutrition Center Masticating Juicer. Many people usually opt for centrifugal juicers. However, if you want a proper masticating juicer, the Omega Je98XL masticating juicer is certainly the way to go. It uses a slow-speed juicing process that extracts more juice, and also makes for higher quality juice. It can even effectively get juice from dry pulp, and the juice made from the Omega juicer also lasts longer than most. What's more, it can be stored for up to 72 hours without degradation, and the juice also doesn't separate even after being stored for that long. So you can access the same quality of juice 3 days late. It also doesn't introduce any heat into your juice, and it minimizes oxidation, so you will have yourself as healthy a glass of juice as you can hope for. Furthermore, it's a rather quiet juicer and makes very little noise. While some other juicers are unbearable due to the sheer amount of noise they make, the Omega juicer runs a silent operation, which is a very valuable feature. It can also be used with a variety of fruits and veggies, and even other food items like nuts, herbs, spices, coffee, and so much more. The versatility doesn't end there, as it can also be used to make baby food. Due to the slow speed of the juicer, it is advised that this is used more with veggies as it is more effective in making juices out of those foods. It should, however, be noted that you might need to cut up your fruits before placing it into the feed chute, as it is rather small and can't take fruits whole the way some of the other brands on this list can. It is still a great juicer, and if you are in the market for a masticating juicer, then look no further. The best key features are: low speed 80 revolutions per minute motor. Can be used with different fruits and veggies. Juices can be stored for up to 72 hours. Gets more juice from dry pulp. 4. Black Plus Deca 34 ounces citrus juicer. The Black Deca 34 ounces citrus juicer, as the name, can only really be used for citrus-based fruits. It is incredibly efficient with the citrus fruits though, as it comes with 2 self-reversing cones. The self-reversing cones are there to get the most out of the citrus fruits being juiced. The 2 cones vary in size, with the smaller cone excellent for smaller fruits like oranges, lemons and limes. The bigger cone is great for larger fruits like grapefruit, and operates with 30 W of electricity and also holds up to 34 ounces of juice in its clear plastic container. The container also comes with easy-to-read measurements, so you can always keep track of just how much juice you are making. There's also a toggle on the juicer that allows you to control the amount of pulp that goes into each batch of juice made. So, whatever your taste, you can have your juice just the way you want it. The juicer also features a drip-free spout, which makes pouring out your juice an absolute joy. And the parts are also easy to remove and clean, and the removable parts are dishwasher friendly. So maintenance remains an easy chore. What's more, the Black Plus Deca sports a pulp basket that lets you easily store your pulp and take it out when you're done juicing. You can then decide to throw the pulp away, or if you want to use the pulp for other recipes, this is also an option available for you. Lastly, this juicer comes with a plastic cover that keeps your juicer dust-free and ready for use at any time. The best key features are: drip-free spout, 2 self-reversing cones, clear plastic container with easy-to-read measurements, pulp control and pulp basket. 5. SKG Cold Press Juicer. Just one look at this beauty of a machine and you most definitely know that you are in the safest of juicing hands. It looks reliable, dependable, commercial even, but yet it's got plenty of cool design aesthetics to recommend it. This one is definitely all about the juice baby, with its super fine strainer that really eliminates the pesky pulp. It's easy to carry and move around, plus setting it up ready to use really couldn't be more convenient. Because this is a masticating variety of juicer which presses rather than spins the fruit to release the juices, it prevents any unwanted oxidation, meaning you not only have more nutritiously sound juice but one that you can refrigerate and savor for longer. There's a generous 3.15-inch produce chute with not 1, but 2 openings, which mean you can get to work easier, simultaneously juicing an apple and a couple of carrots at the same time rather than having to do them all one at a time. This is nothing short of genius. Such a simple idea on the surface of things, but so practical. We wonder why not every manufacturer has had the foresight to design this way. Still, that's for sure one very firm tick in the SKG Cold Press Juicers box. The result is a phenomenal level of juice yield across all your more favorite ingredients. The best key features are: 2 separate product chutes including a large 3.15-inch one. Juice 2 different products at the same time. Slow masticating style to prevent nutrient oxidation. Innovative second filter to strain foam and pulp even further. Easy assembly and efficient cleanup.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.